But nevertheless, we're talking earnings, more so Motilal Oswal, and I think they are addressing the investors and the media on their earnings. Let's cut across.
Fixed income business to equity businesses, and we have bought all the products of Motilal Oswal AMC, and there we have unbooked profit of about 160 crores for the year ended March 2015. So apart from 145 crores profit, which is declared against 77 crores, we have 160 crores unbooked profit as of 31st March, which keeps fluctuating. I mean, at the high it was about 190 crores, and now it must be, after the correction, it must be 120, 125 crores. So that goes on, but for the 31st March, the unbooked profit is about 160 crores. Another redeeming feature for the current year has been the launch of a housing finance company called Aspire. We have seeded the company with 150 crores of equity, and the company has been able to do a business of 370 crores for the very first year, and this is also a very promising start for this company, but it's early days because it's just about 11 months. I think the next 1 year will be very crucial for this company's foundation years. Second year will be very, very important. So all in all, I think it had been a very, very eventful year for us. We realigned the balance sheet. I think that is a huge long-term move from our point of view, where every single penny of the balance sheet will be used to buy one form of equity, either equity managed by us or equity of the businesses which we manage. So that's one big change. Second is that we have seeded a home finance company with a thought process of making it a serious business going forward, because we had all the agency businesses in broking and asset management, and that capital was not finding any major usage, and now we'll be able to use large part of free cash flow into funding the housing finance company. So I think this shapes up the company to a very different kind of a start as we look to the next cycle of expansion in this economy. As far as the broking business is concerned, I will request Samir to give the how the broking business has shaped up in this particular year.
Thank you, Raamdeo ji. In the broking business, cash volumes is one of the biggest barometers which drives the business turnover. So this year, after a long time, after 3 or 4 years of lull, we've seen that cash market volumes have revived and have grown at the rate of 63% year on year, which is about 22,000 crores. This has largely been driven by 73% growth in the retail volumes and close to about 50% growth on the institutional side. What is heartening to know is that cash delivery business, which is the most high yielding segment within the cash segment, is at its all-time high of the last 8 years. So I think overall this is a good positive step that has, as we start this new economic cycle. Also, what is important to know is that while volumes have seen a significant uptake in this year, the retail volumes are still not surpassed its past peak. We are still about 13 to 14% below the last peak that was clocked in 2010. So which means that retail participation is yet to fully come into the market. We have still not seen much of primary issuances. We have still not seen a lot of new demat accounts being opened. So I would say that a lot of upside is still there for the taking in the retail business. And as a house, we've been focused on building our franchise, and we believe that we are well geared to capture the upside that comes from these opportunities in the coming years. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the Motilal Oswal management speaking on the numbers. The stock settling down at 300. Well, not bad really. I mean, look at the consolidated income from operations that's gone up, and you would expect that in a scenario like this. But remember, it's no longer just a pure play brokerage. They're doing a number of things. Cash delivery business is at the all-time high of the last 8 years. Retail volumes are low is what the management is saying, but they also have a housing finance arm which apparently is picking up very, very well. You don't hear about it too much, but there are some interesting businesses that Motilal Oswal is in, so it could be an interesting play as well. And now the management talking about how the next couple of years could be like, or the couple of quarters could be like, excuse me. Okay, but the market deserves more attention. We've come off quite rapidly, currently at 8181, around the levels from where there is apparently support for our markets. Mitesh Thakkar, final thoughts really. At 8181, the close isn't the best. You could argue that yes, we haven't broken 8150, which were pre-support levels, but